everybody, welcome back to the shop. Today's just going to be a little update video on what's been going on. Haven't been a whole lot of work going on. Been trying to find a belt for this golf cart. The one I did find that was fit where I had the engine set and the rear end set turned out to be for an Arctic Cat snowmobile, and it was $180+. I don't think I'm going to pay that for a belt. So I started doing some checking, went on to Buggies Unlimited, talked to their tech support, and they actually helped me find a belt that was cheap, $35 I think it is, through them. I didn't order it through them. I took that belt size and part number and went to Napa and found one a little bit more expensive, but I had it the same day. Instead of waiting 4 to 10 days for a belt for that. So I did get a belt for that. I do have to re-drill the holes for the motor to mount the motor. I'll be getting on that probably first thing in the morning. An update on the Pro Mod engine for Twisted V Racing, or Twisted V Twin Garage. I'm sorry. After the last video, I laid out all the parts and everything that was going to be going into the engine. I found that the crank journals, where the crank goes into the block on each side, were a little tight. One side actually wouldn't fit at all. The other side was very, very tight. I didn't want to take a chance of this two disc-like metals heating up and expanding and contracting at different rates and something going catastrophically wrong. So we sent that back to the machine shop. I just got that back. We're going to be getting on that. Probably bouncing back and forth between the two projects. I can show you what's going on here. Let me turn the camera around and we'll show you what's going on there. Okay, there's Mark's motor, cranks in it. These are the head gaskets going to be used in it. But yeah, there it is. You can actually see the crank fits in here. There's a bearing behind this seal, roller bearing. Something we do with the Pro Mod motors to help them with the, make them not so tight. The problem is this journal here would not fit into that bearing, and then on the other side of the block, where it's just a machined bearing surface in the block itself, like I said, the crank would go in, but to my liking, there wasn't enough clearance. And what we're going to spin these motors at and do with these motors, I just didn't want to take a chance of it galling up and coming apart. So there's the update on that. Like I said, I'll be getting on that real soon. And we'll take you over here and show you the belt I did get through Napa. It's the right length. I just have to move the motor back about a half, 3/4 of an inch, which I have room to do. So we'll be getting on that too, and finishing up bring the exhaust out. And I think I'm going to do a side exit on that. So that'll be that. And the last thing on this, last two things, is I gotta adapt the shifting linkage bracket here from the old linkage. This one here, this hole is too big in here, so I'm going to use the old bracket that come with this motor and basically weld this to that, and that'll be good to go. And then a little bit of wiring, and this thing should be ripping. I know you guys been wanting to see it go. I do too. It's just been a roll, 2-step forward, 1-step back type thing going on. So, but the Plan B tractor, the other Cub Cadet, it's ready to go as soon as we can get some time out. The only thing I am going to do is the fuel pump was wired right into the key switch. Turn the key switch on. The fuel pump would start. I'm going to put an inline toggle switch just to be able to shut the fuel pump off. That way, after we run it, we can shut the fuel pump off, let the motor run out of fuel, bleed the fuel out of the carburetor and stuff. Just a little update on that, and that's about all that's going on right now. You guys might hear the rain in the background. It's starting to thunder and lightning here, so I'm going to get out of here and get in and do some editing and get you guys some videos out. And hope you liked the video I put out earlier in the week with the walk around the lake. That was a local lake really nice area, just really nice place to go get your head straight. So be looking for some more of those type videos. Got a couple more coming out, that stuff, some country drives, and possibly a cooking video. See what the bear's cooking. So thanks you all for watching. If you're new here, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, hit all notifications, get everything, find out what all is going on here in the shop. It's always something different. Appreciate y'all, and thank you to all the new subscribers. I'm on a rocket rail running up subscriber count, so really appreciate that, everybody that's done that. So, and we will catch you all later. Bye.